If any of you remember the Windows 95 DOS gaming machine, well, I got a case for it. So, it's the AMD K62 motherboard in here. It's in the case of Lenovo 3000J or something along those lines. Just found this case laying around work, so I took it. So, in the front, it's just a CD rewritable drive, which is a beige drive, but it doesn't really matter since it's in this, has this gray front, even though it's a black case, it has the gray front. So yeah, it's a CD rewritable drive. Now, I do have a black CD-ROM drive. That's 10 years old, made in March 2002, but it has the volume wheel and, oh, my camera. That's the thing about holding your camera with one hand. Sometimes you put your finger over the microphone, and if you don't do that, then it slips, because I have nowhere to put my finger because the microphone's right on top. It's kind of a stupid design if you ask me, but it has these volume control and headphone jacks, which would be covered by the black thing on the bottom, and the LED just shines through this thing here. It's just a clear strip, so if the LED is anywhere from here to here, it'll show through, and it's just this yellow button that just pushes the button on the other side. Let's see if I can just take this off here. I can take the bottom one off, no problem, but sometimes this one doesn't want to come off. Anyway, next there's a 3.5-inch TIAC floppy drive. Actually, you know what? Let's grab this. Much better. So, it's that. It's a TIAC drive that I had for years. One of my only black ones. I only have 3 of these black ones with the faceplate, like the whole faceplate, because I have some other black ones that's just a dust shutter for like, that would be good in an IBM NetVista or something that has a built-in floppy drive hole thing. Yeah. So I put that in there. It's actually bad. It actually has a huge dent in it, and the case is all deformed on the floppy drive, but it works perfectly fine. That black tape covers up where the headphone and USB ports used to be, as you can see by the outline of that. There's the power button, yeah, power light, the hard drive light, and a Athlon 64 sticker, and designed for XP sticker, which it sure as hell is not designed for XP. And there's that XP product key over there. And yeah, so the OEM power switch, I had to do some modifications to get that to work on the board, but it works. It's just in there. Lights work. And for a reset switch, I just took a switch and I have it right there, if you can see that. Right there. I just wrote the word reset on that, and so if I want to reset it, just, yeah, you get the point. So, back here, just that cheapo Hypro power supply, because I didn't have another ATX one at the time, so I just threw that in there. And it's just one screw holding the corner in here, and it's resting on a metal plate here, and it's also resting on the CPU heatsink. Not the best support for a power supply, but you know, it works. So whatever. PS2 keyboard and mouse, USB ports, parallel port, serial port, VGA, game port, line out, line in, microphone in, 3 blank slots, which will soon have an Ethernet card in one of them. This one's kind of messed up. I'll just show you inside here. Here's the inside. Here's the high power supply. Heatsink. Chipset right there. RAM. Just 128 megabytes for now. Yeah. There's the 20 gigabyte Seagate hard drive, which is overkill for this, but you know, whatever. There's a CD-ROM up there, and there's the floppy drive right there. All that. You can see I tried to manage the cables so there's no ribbon cables everywhere. But just stuffing them in the drive and hiding them. Or not in the drive, but below the drives. Clock battery. There's 2 ISA slots, 3 PCI slots. PC speakers held on by one of the screws in the PCI slots. Works just fine. I mean, I'd probably move that if I put a card in there, which I will someday. Here you can see where I modified the cables to work. Just took the OEM cable and I attached another cable to it and then just plugged it into the board. So, not much else to say really. Alright, it's all hooked up and ready to go. It's gonna turn itself on, so you know what, turn the monitor on. Put it in the on position, so when I flip the switch it'll turn on. Yep, there's the monitor. That's what I like about these old monitors, they have the hard power switch, not just a soft power switch, so if you press the button while it's off and unplugged, next time you apply power to it, it'll just turn right on. Power light's not working anymore, but the hard drive light is. Once the power button works. I heard the startup sound, but it's kind of difficult to hear because I think the Windows sound is turned all the way down. Go on, you bitch. Yeah, you can hear that there. Yeah, my power light isn't working. Oh well. Who needs a power light? Once the power button works, I'm fine. Alright, what do I have installed? WinZip is pretty much the only thing installed, and Winamp. Storage drive there. Yeah. A lot of S3M mod files in here. There's one. I'm gonna go ahead and say you can't hear that. Maybe you should be able to. It's got a really good sound card in it. It's an ISA ESS Solo 1 or something like that that they integrated into the motherboard, so yeah. That's one thing I hate about this camera. The microphone's on the top, but my other camera, the older one, has the microphone in the front, but the microphone sucks. So, yeah. That's kind of a downside. It's a double negative. Let's find another one. You got power everything. Do now. This is a mod rendition of what's it called, Toccata in D minor or whatever. Yeah. Found this on one of my old floppy disks. So yeah, it's actually not bad. They did a good job. Well, that's going. Freaking light. I have a good idea. Where'd it go? Let me see here. Piece of wood. Problem solved. Shit. Stay there, you bitch. Anyway. Oh yeah. Is it any of these ones? Okay, where is it? Oh, shit. Dropping the camera again. Ah. No, it's just that one. Not that one. Oh, where the hell is it? Okay. Okay. Oh yeah, it's still going. Yeah. Just a salesperson going door to door. Don't know why they do that. Oh, fuck. My mouse just teleported across the screen. Let's get this to shut up. It will just... Oh, now it's not even... Gotta love Windows. Now it's working. Let's try running pinball. Good idea. Move the computer. Huh. Just gotta hope not to knock the camera off. What the? Oh shit. I'm terrible at this. How the fuck am I supposed to hit that? Oh, that was not fair. What? What? Come on. What the fuck was that? What? You bitch. Funny story about this game. My friend had this way back in the day, and we just kind of copied it. And forget what here. I think it was shareware. I'm not sure. Oh, you bitch. Do that again. Yeah, it's shareware, alright. Oh, alright then. These words are actually dark blue. You just can't tell. Only 45 bucks. Oh, what if you live in China? Then how are you supposed to order, huh? Never thought of that, did they? That's right, I'm making you guys sit through this too. Alright, screw this. Move that back. You hear the bearings in that drive a mile away. I still have louder drives though. That's for sure. Close that. And that's still open. Yeah. The wallpaper that came with the drivers for the graphics. I don't even think that's 256 colors. I think that's only 16 colors. They just made it look good. That's pretty freaking cheap. Yeah. Floppy drive works. have to have a floppy drive for the older games and drivers, since most of them did not come on CDs. Oh, bitch. Authentic AMD, 120 megabytes of RAM. Start, run. AMD K6 3D processor. It's not a K6-2 like I thought, just a K6. It's May 9th, 1999 apparently. It has DirectX 6.1. Can't see the rest of that. It doesn't say the speed of the processor. I seriously don't have the slightest clue how fast the processor is. I think it's something like 450 or 433 megahertz. But I don't know. There's really not much to show you, I mean. It's just Windows 95. I can shut it down here. Oh wow, that was fast. Power button works. Come on, you. Thanks for watching.